How are we all doing? So I said I'd give you a look at this television when I brought it back into the house, and you can see some real television pictures on it. So it's been working away here all day with no issues, and it was well worth a bit of effort changing the caps and what have you in it. It's working a lot better now, and also the grommets on the tuner, so that's not flopping around anymore either. So it was well worth the effort. So we'll switch on. We're watching a minute or two of TV if there's anything good on. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It's certainly an awful lot better than the A774 that I've had running here for a few weeks. That's in the sick bed now as well. It's not working right, but they were a crap telly at the best of times. This is a lovely set.
Once you press down the shutter and hold it down, it will lock on and fire away as many frames as you can, and then you'll get lots of images of the kind of
Exciting. I'll get something, isn't I?
yeah.
The water is baited, and it's not long before the first gannets arrive.
Alright, here we go.
Here we go.
Alright, I'm coming in now. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Go. Yeah.
Ooh,
wow. Look at the sky now.
More coming in, amazing.
This is awesome. I've seen lots of wildlife in my life, but this is easily one of those top 10 moments.
Absolutely.
But as soon as the fish are gone, so are the gannets.
So what do you reckon?
So I reckon that's pretty good. It could be an award winner, that one.
I'm not sure it is. But you know what? I've had an amazing day.
Absolutely.
You've had me choked. It's been brilliant.
Good. I'm glad you enjoyed it. It's just an incredible wild spectacle.
Sunny weather always helps with our stories, and it's thankfully pretty bright and glorious today, ideal for Easter eggs.
So we'll leave it at that.
But
it gives you an idea of the picture. To be honest, the camera doesn't really do it justice. It's better than what it looks on the phone. Anyway, take care for now. More videos soon, and stay safe out there.